Okay, welcome to 2047 East Karen Drive in Phoenix, 85022, Greenway North 20th Street, respectively. We have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1737 on the square footage, built in 1978, but recently reimagined and totally redone. So we're at about $316 per square foot, and it's really done very, very well. And I'm gonna take you through right now. Quiet street, mountain views in the back, at least partial. You'll see, I'll get into that. And everything's redone. So I'm gonna walk you through and keep quiet. And I'll just want to show you the house. So we got living room, obviously. It is a step down. Fireplace, yay. Okay, yeah, let's go this way. So we've got 2 guest bedrooms and then the primary suite. Shared bath. Great job on the tile work. Really nice countertop. Ceiling fans in every room with lights. A little extra storage here. Beautiful kitchen island. New appliances. Counter sinks, cabinets. If you're thirsty, come by. I've got plenty of water. Okay, so we've got utility room. That leads out to the 2-car garage. And this would be the primary bedroom with access to the outside. It has a closet with really nice storage, a lot of shelves, good for organization. And beautiful stand-up shower. Very nice tile work. I have one more video that went specifically outside. So I'll put those 2 up. This one and the other. But just very quickly, there's some mountain views here in the back. Then you have some on this way too. Then you have privacy. Love the Broadway lights, those are so cool. I have some too. Love them. Thank you for watching. If you wanted to have a special tour, if you're not able to make the open house today and tomorrow from noon until 3, I would be happy to come by and take you through the house personally at your convenience. How does that sound? You know how to reach me. This is Kurt Boyd with Russ, Lyon, Sotheby's Scottsdale at the Camelback Tower office specifically, and it would be my honor to help you. Okay, I'm gonna end the tour right here. Thank you so much for watching. You can also visit me on social media on Instagram and Facebook and LinkedIn, which I have presence on all of those. Thank you so much, and I hope to look forward to hearing from you soon. 480-203-3704, or you can visit me online. My flagship website is kurtmboyd.com. Thank you. Have a great day.